Political activist Sapamcha Kangleipal Meitei asserts Manipur crisis will end once immigrants who entered Manipur after 1951 are deleted from Indian citizenship and when suspension of operation with Kuki militants gets abrogated. Sapamcha Kangleipal said this while attending the 73rd dead anniversary of Lamyan Bahijam Mirawat, which was organized by Meitei Chengak Maitrabag at Manipur Press Club today. President of Meitei Chengak Maitrabag, Nungthombam Sanahal, General Secretary of All Manipur Students Guardian Organization, Sumati Saugrakpam, President of Socialist Students Union of Manipur, Sarajam Yaima, and President of Kangleipal Minority Welfare Organization, Mohammad Nasir Khan, graced the program, which was marked by floral tribute to the portrait of Hijam Irawat. Speaking further in the program, Sapamcha Kangleipal remembered the contributions of Lamyanba Irawat, who fought for the rights of common people. His untimely death proved to be a big loss for the Manipuri society. While terming the ongoing conflict in Manipur as an attempt to suppress the indigenous Meitei community, Sapamcha Kangleipal said the crisis will find its end only when Sioux with Kuki militant groups get abrogated and when illegal immigrants who entered Manipur after 1951 are identified and deprived of their citizenship.
Kuki na nagara ka tempat ka ang special foreign community. Masih coba tuna bawa koi ini tu. Meitei sih na, mujhe central force sih mereka atam nama force ma. Manipur kalau terkuat dan kampen di mana tu. Agar di tempat tu, armed forces special foreign 1950 atas pada tahun nama koi lo tu mereka ada Kuki sih na, yang boleh ka. In China, yang terlalu mereka ada, lisang China leyure Manipur sih. How jadi mengatur leyure. Manipur की तंतु लेकर उठिलों से ये गुड फाइटर हुआ मणिपुर तंतु लेकर उठिलों में मुझे लगता है प्रमोशन का रोए तंबा सेंट्रल फोर्स और राइज है कोई वहाँ तो नहीं मधु तो भी आना था बात तबाक के बेटे इसी जगह और पे आना था बात आपस बात कंजन भी आना था बात कुकी जिंगा अभी वो फोर्स तो लोग तो करना था मणिपुर लंदन रही रहा है इसी अब कोई चिन्ह तो उनके है क्या है